Hello, welcome to Earth Sign. Ayan, reading. Reading to for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Well, take only what resonates ha, kasi hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Earth Sign sa mundo. So, kung makaka-relate ka, kunin mo lang yung magre-relate sa'yo kasi pwede kong hindi makuha 100% yung situation mo. Okay? So, pwedeng kung makarelate ka man, 90% lang, okay lang yun. Basta kukunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-relate sa'yo. Okay? So, for personal reading, meron namang personal reading. Kay Jing Tarot Reader nga lang. Friend ko yon guys. Hindi ako yon. No? Kasi hindi ako nagbibigay ng personal reading. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, sa Messenger, sa anong tawag dito? Dito sa YouTube, meron din siyang YouTube. Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya. Okay, let's start your reading. This is for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Isang shuffle na lang. Kunin muna natin yung main energy mo. Kung magbabanggit ako ng zodiac sign, energy lang yun ha. Maaaring hindi ko mabanggit yung zodiac sign ng person mo, pero okay lang yun. Avoidance is here. Stalemate. Okay. And you do have here guarded. I feel like earth sign. Sa ngayon, you do have your fulfillment and wish. Yung iba sa inyo, marami kang gustong mangyari sa buhay mo eh. You know, parang gusto mo pang mangyari to, gusto mo pang mangyari yan. Yung mga marami pa eh. Marami ka pang goals. And marami ka pang wishes. Yung iba sa inyo, you're doing your best. You're always praying. Or yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng, may mga nakikita pa akong mga ritual na ginagawa, no? Or maybe you're manifesting itong mga bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve, gusto mong makuha, gusto mong maybe yung mga pangarap mo ng kabataan mo, gusto mong mangyari to, gusto mong mangyari yan. And I feel like nandito yung focus mo ngayon. No? And yung pagmamanifest ng mga bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve, makuha, mangyari. With the avoidance, I feel like for now, hindi ka masyadong nakikipag-connect or maybe you're avoiding your person, you're really guarded or maaring kaya ito ayaw mo kasing ipakita yung emotions mo or ayaw mong maging vulnerable sa person na ito. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng wala masyadong nangyayari sa connection. Walang movement. Yung iba walang communication, ano? Pero part of you is still thinking about this person. Kailan may pag-iwas or hindi ka nga masyadong gumagawa ng any movement at all. Alamin natin, ano bang emotions mo towards this person? Ano bang emotion mo para sa kanya? For Earth sign. You do have your confusion and epiphany. I want to clarify itong confusion, which is there's the sign of Neptune or the planet Neptune. You do have your fears and limitations. So ngayon, hindi mo sure actually, hindi mo alam kung ano bang nararamdaman mo pa towards this person. Pwedeng nilalagyan mo lang ng limitasyon ang connection ninyo. Okay? You do have your epiphany, so Yung iba sa inyo may mga bagay ka or sabihin na nating puzzle ng connection ninyo na parang napapagtugma-tugma mo, parang ganon. And, or nare-realize mo, parang ganon. I feel like, hindi mo alam kasi natatakot ka na, I don't know, actually sa ngayon, hindi mo alam kung anong dapat maramdaman, kung ano bang nararamdaman mo. Maybe you're not really sure. Pero, may something eh. No? You know what? At the bottom of the deck, there's this ace or water. No? This is showing as the Ace of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ace of Cups. Sa tarot reading, Ace of Cups is talking about love. Full of emotions and love. Ang totoong nararamdaman mo dito sa taong to. But, you do have your facade and beliefs. So, pwedeng niloloko mo yung sarili mo sa totoo lang eh. Wala, hindi yun. Wala lang yun. And also, na nagpapakita sa atin dito yung glasses, which is, this is your way. Kasi yung glasses talaga is usually sinusuot yan to hide something. No? Pwedeng hindi mo ino-open ang soul. You know, I mean, masasabi natin na ang totoong emotions or totoong pagkatao ng isang tao, makikita mo pag tinignan mo sa mata. But because you're wearing glasses here, maybe you're trying to hide it. You're trying to hide your emotions. Ayaw mo makita niya. And I feel like natatakot ka sa emotion mo para sa kanya. Ayaw mo maging mahina, and itong person na ito ang nagiging kahinaan mo. You know? Kaya natatakot ka sa emosyon na nararamdaman mo para sa kanya. Guys, the energy for some of you, this is reversal. Pwedeng ikaw ay cross-watcher. Pwedeng itong reading na ito ay, itong side na ito ay person mo. Kasi nakaramdam ako ng ganong energy, ano? Pero hindi mo ini-expect na ganito yung mararamdaman mo sa kanya. Maybe in the past, alam mong mahal mo siya. Pero hindi mo akalaing magtatagal yung pagmamahal na mararamdaman mo para sa kanya. Maybe inisip mo na hindi, makakalimutan ko rin yun. Wala lang yun. Pero after couple of years or months, yung iba sa inyo, hindi ko pala makalimutan. Ganun pa rin. 'Di ba? And marami mang nagbago. Marami mang nangyari. Pero bakit ganun pa rin? Parang ganun. So, maaaring ito kaya mo iniiwasan kasi pinipilit mo pa rin ngayon kalimutan eh. Alamin naman natin yan sa side ng person mo. Let's talk about your person. Sino to person na to? Bigyan nyo na kami ng main energy about this person. For the sign of earth sign, please. I feel like hindi ka makatingin ng mata sa mata sa kanya. Kung hindi man ngayon, maybe in the past. Sa tuwing magkakaroon ng pagtitinginan sa inyo, either ikaw or one of you ay, alam mo yon, pagkatapos ng 3 seconds or wala pang 3 seconds, iiling na or lalayo na yung lilihis na yung paningin kasi hindi kayang tignan. You do have your apology and forgiveness. For earth sign, I will not take this. Hindi ko to kukunin. Kukunin ko lang siya as an extra message. And you do have your rejection, loss, and fragmented. Bottom of the deck is the seeds. I can see a child here. So, for some of you, pwedeng may anak ba kayo ng person na to, or maybe there's children or a child na involved sa connection. And you do have here apology. Itong person na ito is hindi niya alam kung anong nangyayari ngayon sa buhay niya. Like, this person is kind of lost sa connection. Maybe itong person na ito is pwedeng alam niyang nasaktan ka niya, or nagsinungaling siya, or I feel like there's a family na involved dito sa connection. So, pwedeng itong person na ito is maybe already married or in a relationship. Kung siya yung pamilyado, the energy na nakukuha natin is nasasaktan siya. Kasi alam niya kung ano yung meron sa inyo eh. Ramdam niya yun. Pero nasasaktan siya. Kasi gustuhin man niya na magkaroon ng reconciliation sa inyong dalawa. Mahirap, masakit, hindi pwede. So, especially kung may baby na involved. So, 'di ba? Parang I need to focus on my own journey. I need to focus on my own life. 'Di ba? And tell me more, ano ba emotion nitong taong ito for you? Ano bang emotion niya para sa'yo? For the sign of earth sign, please. You do have here decisions, masculine, third eye, and clarity. Guys, this is not the reading na itong person na ito inilagay ka sa third party. Hindi ganon. Maybe there's family or relationship, pero maaaring nangyari yon hindi kayo. Okay? Walang relationship sa inyo. Maybe may family or may relasyon, pero walang kayo. Or hindi kayo nung nangyari yung relationship na yon. So, if that is your case, this is not your reading. Okay? Hindi sa ito. You do have your guilt. So, saan siya guilty ngayon? Guilty. This person is guilty na nakikita niya yung connection na ito, pero maaaring hindi niya ino-open up, or hindi niya, maaaring tinatanggi niya, ganun. This person is guilty na there's this passion and chemistry sa inyo. So, ramdam niya yon, alam niya yon, yung chemistry, passion is spark sa inyo. Maybe may parte sa memories niya yung tinatanggi niya, ganun, na hindi niya naaalala ko, no? Pero ang totoo niya, naaalala niya. This person is the kind of person na hindi basta makakalimot. And it reflects. Kasi sa totoo lang, pwedeng part of his or her past, maaaring nung kabataan niya, may mga naaalala pa rin siya na hindi pa rin naghihilom completely. Maybe relationship with parents, relationship sa mga nagpalaki sa kanya. Maybe you're dealing with a broken family person, or ampon. Ganyan, may nakakuha tayong mga ganon. And dahil dito, guys, huwag mong kunin yung part na yun kung hindi ha. Basta I can see issues regarding sa past ng person na ito na nagiging dahilan kung bakit nahihirapan siyang mag-desisyon sa ngayon. Okay? So, ang totoo niyan, guilty siya na mahal ka niya, na sa ngayon, hindi siya makaalis sa kanyang comfort zone, hindi siya makaalis dyan, but there's a lot of attraction and love for you. Pero kasi ang feeling niya, wala na eh. Cycles and completion is here. And nandito yung close off. So, your person is guarded. Sobrang guarded niya ngayon. Sobrang hindi niya mailabas lahat ngayon ang totoo sa'yo, or hindi siya makipag-connect or communicate because feeling niya, wala na. Okay? Feeling niya wala na yung offer, hindi na pwede mag-offer, wala na, etc. Hindi na tayo pwede. Ganun. So, what will happen in the future? Alamin muna natin anong gusto niyang mangyari. Anong gusto niyang mangyari? Anong gusto niyang mangyari? You do have here projections and reflection. Hindi niya gusto yung situation niya. Hindi niya gusto. I told you, if you are dealing with a person na pamilyado siya yung pamilyado or whatsoever, I feel like maybe it's not that happy kind of situation. So, pwedeng nakikita niya yung relationship niya at yung isa, yung person niya, na parang hindi to tama, mali to, hindi ko gusto. So, parang tinanggap niya na lang yung reality kahit hindi niya talaga gusto yung person na kakonect niya. Sabihin na natin ganun. Kasi itong person na ito is, ang gusto niyang mangyari, sa ngayon hindi niya alam. Hindi niya maalam. Kasi, yung, ang ugali kasi ng person mo is before siya mag-make ng decision, ina-analyze niya mabuti yung sitwasyon. So, maaaring doon sa situation niya, doon sa kanyang person, hindi niya na-analyze masyado. So, maaaring may mga pagmamadali. Maaaring hindi nakapag-desisyon, pero wala ng choice. Maaaring hindi niya gusto yung situation, pero wala nang magagawa. Parang ganun. Hindi niya gusto yung person, pero wala nang magagawa. You know? And, let's talk about his or her soul. Ano ba talagang gustong mangyari nung kanyang soul, ng kanyang subconscious mind? Maybe hindi niya alam yung sa nakikita niya, hindi niya alam. Pero what is yung deep desire niya? Ano ba talaga yung pinakagusto niya na hindi niya alam na gusto niya yon na mangyari sa inyo? You do have here facade and beliefs. So, I feel like it has nothing to do with you. May kinalaman yun sa kanya at sa connection niya. Parang gusto niyang alisan or alisin. Yeah. Kasi yung mismong situation niya hindi okay eh. As you can see, it's the energy, or the word here is release. And kung makikita mo, it's like anong tawag dito? Malaking kanal ito. And it's releasing water. Kasi hindi niya naman talaga mahal eh. Hindi niya gusto. And I can see a woman here, so I don't know if yung woman na yon is yung person na involved sa connection ninyo, which is possible na yung kakonect niya. Well, regardless sa gender, man or woman. Pero, hindi eh. Gusto niyang tanggalin sa buhay niya. But, I see this na mahirap tanggalin, especially if there's a seed here. And, yan, there's a ring. Yung sumakto yung pagkakatakip ng and then I saw the word ring. So if your person is married or if there's a child na involved, mahirap. And yeah, yun yung gusto niya mangyari. And bakit hindi ito mangyari? Bakit hindi ma-release or hindi matanggal? You do have your control. So your person is being controlled here. So mahirap. Diba? Parang paano mo tatanggalin yung sitwasyon niya ngayon na nagdidikta sa kanya ng kung ano dapat niyang gawin. What will happen in the future for the both of you? You have your past. Yeah, this is a past person. Receive is here, open, higher self, and nostalgia. In the near future, what will happen? Nandun pa rin yung attraction sa isa't isa. Alam niyong mali, alam niyong hindi pwede, alam niyong pangit na alam niyong mali na naisipin yung isang tao while you are still committed but you're still doing this and your person is doing the same. Ayan. In the near future, you do have your structure and solid foundation, so you are focusing on your career, both of you. And you do have your trust, divine time, so nakikita natin na nandun pa rin yung passion, yung love, and emotion sa isa't isa, but detachment is here. So, nagiging cold ang connection, ang communication, whatever. Yung pinaka-action dito is nakafocus sa nakita ko ng eye. So, maybe focusing sa mga nasa harapan ninyo, mga nakikita ninyo, etc. Or maybe focusing on something to do with your eyes. So, yung iba may mga magpapasalamin, papaayos yung mata. Basta may kinalaman sa eyes. I can see an eye here. And, more like action na may kinalaman sa career. Especially, there's Jupiter, so maybe money. Yan. At dito sa connection regarding the past is still ganun pa rin, you're going to receive something, so meron kang makukuha or marireceive in the near future, and I want to know more about this. I feel like may message ito. And sa nakita natin itong connection niya, nananatili siyang soul connection lang. So, yeah, this is you focusing on self-love. Okay? Self-love. And, you do have your message and communication. So, yung iba sa inyo, you're going to receive or may matatanggap kang message or email. And what is this message all about? Patungkol saan itong mensahe na ito? Autumn and harvest is here. Clarify the harvest, please. What's with the harvest? North node. I feel like for some of you, if you're looking forward na magkaroon ng communication or connection sa inyo, meron. Pero hindi agad-agad, kumbaga wag mong madaliin. Communication will still happen. Wait lang, narinig ko yung, I don't know if your mother is there or nandiyan yung nanay mo, it's like it's calling you. So this could be a reading. Or someone called you na parang ang tawag sa'yo is sis. So I just heard the word sis. Ayan, either your mother is calling you or someone na ang tawag sa'yo ay sis. Take only what resonates. Kung hindi, kung wala, okay lang. Okay? So, some of you ganon, nakakita tayo ng message mula sa person na ito, pero hindi agad-agad. Hindi, ibig sabihin, hindi pa tapos ang connection ninyo. Okay? For some of you, I can see a message a message na with the Ace of Cups or the water here. I feel like a message na may kinalaman sa new beginning. If you are in a relationship, maybe new beginning regarding do sa person mo. Or new beginning if kung ikaw naman ay walang karelasyon and then sa'yo. New beginning regarding sa'yo. And I feel like this is like a new beginning or an offer na pwedeng may kinalaman sa money kasi nakikita natin with the harvest, meron kang mga makukuha dito. Okay? And with the North Node, so this is a beautiful card. Nakita tayo dito ng like purpose na maaaring may kailangan kang gawin or may kailangan gawin yung if you're in a relationship yung person mo na yun. So, actually this is a beautiful offer. No? I can see a beautiful offer na mangingibabaw or may makukuha ka. Yan. Some of you, it has something to do with money. Okay? So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka na ko, may messages for you. I love you all guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.